Want to turn your kids' nails into a canvas of creativity? Discover the secrets to keeping those little fingers engaged with 6 easy nail art for kids. From vibrant rainbows to adorable animal designs, our video will unlock a world of fun and imagination. Don't miss out on the perfect activity to spark their artistic flair and keep them entertained. Watch until the end to reveal the ultimate nail art inspiration that will leave your child's fingertips looking fabulous. Let's dive into the colorful world of kid-friendly nail art and create unforgettable memories together. Rainbow nails. Apply a clear base coat to the nails. Use a thin brush or toothpick to paint rainbow stripes, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, across each nail. Let it dry and finish with a top coat for a glossy look. Ladybug Delight. Paint the nails with a red base coat. Add black dots for ladybug spots and draw tiny black lines for legs. Finish with black or white for the eyes. Watermelon Bliss. Paint the nails green and let them dry. Create a white semicircle at the nail tip for the watermelon rind. Add black seeds using a toothpick. Cute animals. Choose a different animal for each nail. Penguin, panda, etc. Paint the base color and add details using a thin brush or toothpick. Don't forget the eyes and noses. Glitter. Ombre. Apply a light color as the base coat. Dip a sponge in a darker shade and gently dab it onto the nail tips. Add glitter for a sparkling finish. Sparkling stars. Paint the nails with a dark solid color. Use a toothpick to create tiny white stars. Add a top coat to seal the design and add shine. Remember to let each layer dry before moving on to the next step. Ensure your kids have adult supervision and proper nail polish for safe and easy nail art fun.